Hello guys, welcome to the first video of a tutorial for a small application I have built. I'm not sure what it's called like, it doesn't really have a name, but what it does is that it lets you see the difference uh, between several refresh rates. Okay, also, if you see my pointer disappearing while not moving and flashing while moving, it is because I have enabled the pointer trail. Yeah, I think it's spelled like this. I'm not sure. It's in the control panel. It will leave some trails behind your pointer. Yeah, let me show you. You go in the mouse settings. Point sorry, yep, right here, pointer trail. I can make it much longer if I want to, but I don't want to. I just want it to be visible. The reason I did this is because I'm using Radeon Relief to record my desktop, because my old screen recorder did not support 60 FPS, and we're gonna need that for this tutorial. And the Radeon Relief cannot capture the mouse cursor because it was built and it should be used for game recording. Sorry, but I'm gonna use it now for this tutorial. Okay, so I'm sorry if the cursor disappearing and then flashing. It's annoying, but I I couldn't do anything else. I tried. Sorry. Okay. So let's create this little circuit right here. Okay. I promise it's not gonna take more than a couple and a half hours, and it's gonna be really entertaining and super duper easy. For those who have already watched my Mind tutorial and my Blackjack tutorial, the Blackjack tutorial is unfinished. I need to record I think 5 more videos. I promise I'm gonna record them as well. I'm gonna finish this project, but I had no time. So uh, let's go ahead and create this. Let's see what it's gonna look like. Okay, it's going to be a window with a title. We're going to be able to adjust the refresh rate 1 by 1 hertz, and we're also going to add some buttons, for example, for console buttons at 24 frames a second. For PC virgins, yeah, I just call it this way. Most most screens have a refresh rate of 60 frames a second, and for the master race PCs, 144 hertz. So I made the application unable to go more than 144 frames a second because uh, back when I created it, screens could only support up to 180 hertz, and this was only for esports, and if you had and those screens were super expensive, and these refresh rate was the best you could get. But now on the market you can find up to 240 hertz monitors. They cost about 500 euros, but for somebody who wants to become a pro gamer, especially at FPS games like Counter Strike, uh, is going to be the best. Well, I don't have a 144 hertz monitor. I got a 4K 60 FPS monitor, but let's go ahead. Yeah, we've lost too much time already. Let's go ahead and create the tracker. So, before I begin, all you're gonna need is Eclipse. It's this program right here. Okay, it's called Eclipse. It's for building Java projects, and Also a JDK or Java development kit. I'm gonna have in the description below links for both of them to be downloaded. So let's go ahead and go to File, New, Java project, and how am I gonna call this? Okay, let's call this the FPS tester. Okay, FPS tester. I like the name. It's a nice name. It's alright. Okay. Now let's go ahead in the project we just created and add a main class. Okay. In order to do that, we have to go to right click, go to new, and class. Okay, since it's the main method, okay, of course we're going to name it main with a capital M in the front, but make sure you check this box right here, so so that Eclipse will automatically generate a main method to save us some time. Okay, this is the main method that Eclipse generated. If you did not check this box, all you're gonna get is this right here. Okay, let me hit Ctrl and Z, and let's go ahead, delete this, and make one more class that we're going to need. Okay, this class is going to be called GUI for graphics user interface. Okay, this class is where we are going to make shit happen. Okay, but before we go back to our GUI class, let's go up here. Okay, and type implement runnable. Okay, you're gonna get a small error message. Yeah, I know it is barely visible because I got a 4K screen. I'm so sorry guys, but up here on the left of your second row you should get a warning. Okay, click on it. This box is going to pop up, and go on and double click add unimplemented methods. This is going to automatically generate the run method that we are going to need. Okay, and as you can see, we save some time again so that we can have time to look around. Okay, so let's go up here and create a GUI item. So let's go ahead and type GUI with capital and lowercase letters equals new GUI. Okay, and go in here and say new thread new main dot start. Okay, I'm going to explain what these two are in a moment. Okay, let's go ahead and explain this right now. Right here we are creating a GUI item which is going to be the window and the application itself. Okay, what we're doing here is that we're creating a thread for this very class. Okay, and whatever's in here is going to run just once, but since we want to use this run method to refresh our application, our window, several times each second from 1 up to 240, yeah, we're going to do it for up to 240. We're going to use a while method, so it's going to run non-stop. Okay, but let's go ahead and go to our GUI class now. Okay, this class right here is going to extend JFrame. So what is JFrame? You're gonna see, guys, if you haven't watched the previous tutorials. Okay, let's go ahead and import some stuff. Okay, java util dot everything import java string dot everything import sorry, it's java auth dot everything, and also import java auth event dot everything. Okay, you're gonna tell me why import this right here, since we have imported this thing. Okay, this means we're importing everything that is inside the auth library, but not things that have not the auth not sub libraries exactly, but not things that have other stuff inside them. For example, event has other stuff inside it. Okay, there are other stuff that do not. Okay, so it has to be imported separately. Yeah, I'm terrible at explaining, I know. Yeah, blame me. So let's go ahead and make our constructor. So come on, public GUI. Okay, this is our constructor. So in here we're going to give our computer information about our window. So we want our title to be let's see, FPS tester. Yeah, that's the name of the application. It now has a name, guys. Also we want to set its dimensions, so the size is going to be, let me think, some of you might have 1366 by 768, so I should make it about 640 by 480. Yeah, that's the resolution we're looking at. We're going to increase that a little bit. I'm gonna tell you why and how in a second. Actually, I think you already know how, because it's super easy. This dot what do you wanna do now? Yeah, set resizable and false. Okay, this right here makes the user unable to resize the window, because we do not want him messing with our window at all. Okay, now this dot set default close operation and type just what you see, guys, this right here. Okay, JFrame exit on close. This means whenever you click, what's going on? Yeah, whenever you click the X button, the application is going to terminate. And the last thing is set visible. Okay, and true. Okay, let's see if it works. Yep, it works. Here's a window. Now on your screen it should appear about 4 times actually larger, because my monitor has a 4K resolution, no matter if I'm recording at 1080p. Because I'm recording at 1080 because there's no reason to record at a higher resolution. Okay, so it should be about here and here. Okay, a much larger window. Okay, so what this does is it does actually exactly what it says. It makes the window visible. If I set this to false, and trying to run this, what am I gonna get? Nothing, because the window is invisible. Okay. uh, so okay guys, we have already created a window. We have already taken too much time. I think we should go ahead and stop for now and continue on the next video. So on the next video, what we're gonna do is create the first graphics of our application. Okay, so thank you guys really much for watching, and see you in the next video.